welcome to Portland. Winter Storm 2008.
No, man, where you going? Go around, fuck you, man. Hey! Hey! Fuck you, puto! Glenn, look at this shit. Hey, fuck you, man.
What's up, fool?
Hey, fuck you, man, puto!
Omaha.
Let me tell you what about this, man. What boost me out? No. I'm fucking motherfucker fake Kirk your hand, son. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna tell you, man, I ain't no baby, son. Well, buffalo. You got handful of him, son. Check me out. Fuck your mother. Yo, fuck your little baby. I am. I'm gonna go on in. Go on in. Baby, will you marry me? You marry me? Don't watch your feet, bitch. Don't tell you something. Don't watch your feet.
Chasing this paper.
Violation 10-4.
Ain't no way you niggas taking it from me. Better believe I stay on my grind. 24/7, 365. Thanks to the hood. Thanks to the hood. Thanks to the hood. Thanks to the hood.
From the southern side of Cali down to crooked, twisted Texas. Gotta be packing the heater for the boys that wanna get reckless. I power on my necklace, you better not test. Got soldiers from that dirty to that west. Shout out to my partners, keeping it banging around the block. Hold it down for the hood, cause the hood is what we got. No matter how hard they try, they can't put away the streets. Real G's live forever in a hustle.
What do you got there?
Come from part of the city where the strong survive. And it's better to die a man than be a coward that's alive. Real talk, homie, and I put it on my name. What you hearing right now was my life and not a game. I used to be like you, got me done without a clue. But real life came along, woke me up and then I knew you can live, you can die, you can find your own way. But I'ma be a G all day, every day.
Chasing this paper, trying to get money. Ain't no way you niggas taking it from me. Better believe I stay on my grind. 24/7, 365. Thanks to the hood. Thanks to the hood. Thanks to the hood.
Yeah.
Thanks to the hood.
All day, every day, making the money, you're making my pay. Criminal elite, one Corpus Christi to LA, California to Texas. What, homie? Just connect the dots. Never will my pride stop. Taking this shit straight to the top, homie. I'm never stopping, forever stomping, keep on dropping the CDs while you're forever flopping. Most keep talking, bumping their guns, running the list while I'm somewhere overseas, taking trips, spinning my chips, liquor in my glass, taking sips. Kush by the pan, strictly rolling the splits. And I'm so high, I got my head in the clouds. And thanks to the hood, I'm making that money now. And the elite one holds me down when I hit that crooked city road with nothing but the crystal come and get me. Haha, it's just a high power baller thing. Criminal elite one put us in the Hall of Fame.
Trying to get money. Ain't no way you niggas taking it from me. Better believe I stay on my grind. 24/7, 365. Thanks to the hood. Thanks to the hood. Thanks to the hood. Thanks to the hood.
Thanks to the hood, thanks to the hood. In my drop top cherry woods and Zeno leathers with navigation up to no good. A little soldier from the block slanging rocks and Glock. Came off from the kilos to have my name at music shops. That's spots where these haters despise the real G. Spreading worldwide to the crooked Christy. Miss me with that bitch made. say I'm getting paid. Bitches are getting slayed. Motherfuckers getting sprayed. Raised with the audacity of a menace on a bloodbath. Like gangish calm, my territory expands. Rubber band full of blood, money for the riches. If it wasn't for my hood, I would have 13 wishes on Monica Quinn. Southside ballin', shot callin', Southsiders never fallin'. Mr. Capone with my money on my mind. With Elite One, MOB, high power front line.
Trying to get money,
nothing?
No.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck with you, dog. You thought you can't take shit for granted. This life is too short, too short. Yeah, got a $100.
MTV.